Mamaya lang po, nandito na si ate.
7 taon din. Naku, baka Amerikano na anak ko.
More coffee, ma'am?
Yes, please.
It's not too hot in Manila this time of the year, is it?
No. It's the best time to be there.
Miss Munoz, are you having bacon and eggs or longganisa and sinangag?
Longganisa at sinangag. Sige.
Saguli po.
Kapapangan ka?
Yes, ma'am. Mother side.
Talaga? Ako din kapapangan.
Hope you had a nice flight.
Ay, dakala salamat.
Thank you, too.
When we say welcome aboard on Philippine Airlines, we really mean welcome home.